Mark the fault on the outer frame of the screen. Remove the bottom screw on one side. Loosen one of the side left or right screws. Use a razor blade to scrape the adhesive from the seams. You have to clean all the glue before you can pull out the acrylic sheet. Remark the fault according to the previous position. Loosen the top and bottom screws. Hook the bottom hole with a pair of circlip pliers and pull down on it. Pull the top out, not too forcefully. Remove the marked module. Note that the part with the screws is fragile and needs to be light. Note the module orientation. Line the bottom of the panel with the seam when putting it back together. Two screws for one row of modules. Mounting frame with antenna section. If you remove the module on the other side, you do the same thing. Repair completed. Need to re-glue the seams of the acrylic panels.